Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok direct messages option not showing. If you're using TikTok and you're having the issue that direct messages option is not showing on your TikTok, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, or you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh in your network settings. Then go for settings app and here go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to turn off or disconnect with your VPN. Or after doing that, you just have to go to your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to simply search for TikTok. And once you find TikTok, you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your TikTok app. Or if you find any pending update, you have to try to update your TikTok application. So sometimes it might be that your TikTok app is not fully updated, so you might get these type issues. And after updating your TikTok app, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, you have to open settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, select TikTok, and from here you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app or uninstall app, and after that try to reinstall. So if there will be any bug or issue with your TikTok apps, it will be fixed in this step. And after doing that all, if you are still having the same issue and your issue is not fixed, so you have to open your TikTok application, and from here you just have to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, and then tap on three dots in the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, and from here select the option of report a problem. But very first you can try to clear cache from here, so it will fix some bugs. Or after doing that, you have to select report a problem, then select direct messages, select other option, and then select need more help. And from here you just have to write or describe your issue, and after that you'll find official help from your TikTok support team. So in this way you can easily fix your issue that your TikTok direct messages option is not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.